You have tested positive for HIV. Mr. Woodroof, we estimate that you have approximately 30 days.
And newsflash for y'all, ain't nothing out there can kill Ron Woodroof in 30 days. They're drugs. They just released for testing, and I know this hospital's orthosites and need it.
It doesn't work that way, Mr. Woodroof. Where are you going?
They got good meds out of Mexico that's better than what you can get here in the States.
You look great.
Well, actually, I look amazing. You can make a fortune off of this. Let's talk distribution.
Anything to declare, Father?
No, sir. Nada.
We do realize importing illegal drugs for sale is a very serious offense.
They're not illegal. They're merely unapproved.
I've been looking for you, Lone Star. I feel better. I wanted to thank you.
Well, unless you got cash or new clients for me, I'm busy.
You got enough for 20 of us?
Welcome to the Dallas Buyers Club.
You treating these people?
No, they're treating themselves.
Ronnie, we got 2 new customers.
You call me Ronnie again? I'm gonna use this to give you that sex change you've been hoping for.
Hi.
TJ, it's Rayon.
Give him a good shake. Give him a good shake. Once you've got HIV, you're married to it. If you want to go the way that I'm prescribing, you are going to live longer and enjoy the time you got here more.
I have a court order permitting us to confiscate any and all non-FDA-approved drugs or supplements.
You're nothing more than a common drug dealer.
Break with the rest of them.
And that's one thing for me not to like you. Why can't you be a better friend to yourself?
Don't back down.
Mr. Woodroof, what is going on?
People are dying. It's gonna be a pain in your ass till I'm 6 feet under, big boy.
Even the best of them all.
America's Most Wanted.
Even the best of them fall.